All right, guys. Yeah, we are in. You can see these are WordPress. Is our WordPress website. You can see. So as soon as you log in, this is what you are going to be seeing. So up here is where you'll be seeing the user information. I logged in as Oro. I use this as my user, and that's why you can see this name showing here. So any username you use is what is going to appear here. Then if you look to your left hand side here, you can see here it's where you see more information about WordPress. Here is your home key, your home icon. So if you click on this, it will take you to home, and that's where we are currently. That's where we are currently. Or am I getting it right? Sorry, let me click on home so that you see. Oh yeah, that's where we are currently. Then if you click on this, you can see you'll be able to visit your site. Maybe you are working on it and you want to just check the back end. You can see once people visit your site, this is what they are going to see. This is what people are going to see on your site. So these are updates. This is where you'll be getting updates. As you can see, the moment I clicked in, you can see these are updates regarding this. And here, if you have any post on your website, or you want to maybe check all the posts you have or add new or give them categories or tag them, this is where you go to be discussing them in detail. But now just get more of the interface. If you want to add library like media, either image or video, or you want to check where they are, this is where you go to. Library, here you see pages is where you see the pages of your website, or you want to add new pages. We'll be discussing this in detail more. Then comment, if you have any comment on your website, this is where you get to see. Then when we talk about appearance, you can see our website is actually empty currently. Nothing is on it. And appearance is empty because we have not done anything on it. There's a lot to this appearance. We are going to be looking into it later. Now, here is plugins. Plugins are more of codes. They are already designed for you to use them for some specific function. Now these codes have been written by coders or developers for you to ease yourself. For instance, if we are designing this with let me say plug or drag and drop, or let me say yeah, we are using drag and drop basically. So this is more of done for you something, you just edit. So it is with the help of these plugins that we can do some certain action. For instance, if I add a button now to my site, if I add a button now to my site, and if here is a button, maybe this is to my WhatsApp, and I add my WhatsApp link. If you click on this, it's definitely going to take you to my WhatsApp. Now it is the help of JavaScript that will aid this functionality. So JavaScript now will be able to, like, you'll be able to use JavaScript to control or to define the function of this key. But since we are not doing coding, it's going to be very difficult for someone who doesn't know about coding to do that. And that's what some of these plugins will help us to achieve. These plugins are already having all the codes required to set up these things manually. So what we need to do is just to pick a particular command and it will help us achieve it. We'll be discussing more about plugin later, but now let's just get these basics. Then users, if you want to add any user, you can see as an admin, this is admin. If you want to add any other user, this is where you add. You can check your user, you can add others so that they can have access to the website. You can add them here. And these are other tools that you'll be needing for the website. You can see available tools: import, export, site health, export personal data, erase personal data, theme file editor, plugin file editor. These are other things. And under settings, you can see we have general settings, we have uh, writing here, we have reading, we have discussion, we have media, we have permalinks, we have privacy. We'll be discussing about all of these subsequently as we begin the very discussion on what this is all about. So this is just to introduce you to the WordPress dashboard and how you can go about navigating the dashboard.